In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to different data sources in Tableau. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application on your computer. This is your starting point, setting the stage for everything that follows. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the start page of Tableau. It's an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed to make it easy to connect to your data sources. On this page, you'll notice a pane on the left side labeled Connect. This is the key tool you'll use for accessing various types of data. It's specifically structured to offer a variety of options based on the data medium you're dealing with. So, let's explore these options. If your data is stored in a file format, you'll have a range of connectors to choose from. Popular choices include Microsoft Excel, text files, or even JSON formats. Simply click on the option that matches your data type. But what if your data doesn't live in a file on your computer? If it resides on a server, there are connectors for that too. You might be connecting to a Tableau server, Microsoft SQL server, or even a MySQL database. Again, just select the option that corresponds to your source. Now, there's a chance your data source won't be listed. No worries, Tableau has workarounds for this situation. You'll want to use options like Other Databases, JDBC, or Other Databases, ODBC, or perhaps the Web Data Connector. Each of these supports a wide range of less common data sources. After you select a connector, Tableau will prompt you for additional information. For file-based data, this means you'll need to navigate your computer's file directory to find and select the specific file you want to work with. If you're connecting to a server, you'll be instructed to enter necessary details such as the server address, username, and password to establish the connection. In the case of web data connectors, you might need to configure specific settings related to API endpoints and authentication details. It sounds technical, but Tableau guides you with prompts and input fields to make the process straightforward. Once your connection is established, Tableau will whisk you away to the data source page. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to refine your connection. You can manipulate and organize your data to suit your analysis needs, rearranging fields and perhaps creating joins or unions if your data spans multiple tables. By following these steps, you're now fully equipped to connect to a wide array of data sources using Tableau. Remember, no matter where your data is stored, Tableau makes the connection process intuitive and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.